This video, we'll see how we can create different type of discount based on product, card, shipping discount, bulk discount, and buy one, get one free discount. So here I'm logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now first we'll install plugin that we will use to create different type of discount that I have shown. For that you need to install Disco plugin. Here you can see Disco. I have already installed this plugin. I will just update now to get the updated version of this plugin. You can search for Disco plugin. It will redirect you to their original page. Here you can see you can able to find all the details related to this plugin. And here they also provide pro version. Like what is the pro version? Here you can see this is pro version of the Disco plugin. Buy the pro version. You can just click on buy now. Buy now. Here fill all the detail. You can use my coupon code Pawan10 to get 10% discount, but it is valid for only 1 month. So you can use it. I am using pro version of this plugin. I will show you. So let's start with simple. I will click on create a discount. Here you need to name your campaign. I will be name the product discount. Campaign name. Here I want to apply on product. What will happen? It will apply this discount on all product or specific product that you select. And if you want to use the user limit, like user can use this up to 10 times, you can set add per your need. You can also set the start and end time for this discount. I will give a 10% discount. And you can add condition like you want to give discount on a specific ID, SKU, title, description. You can select as per your need. Like I can select category. I want to use discount on specific category. I can just here you can see you can save discount. Here you can see discount has been created. What will it will do? It will give add 10% on all plant product. If I go on plant, here you can see when I open any plant, here you can see it discount 10% discount has been added. You can view product. You can see I haven't added any sale price, but it added sale price for all product by giving 10% discount. Now if I go on cactus, here you can see no discount has been added. You can add the product discount as per your need based on the condition. So if you want to give discount to your customer, you don't need to add it one by one. You can directly apply discount on all product using this product discount. Now we will see another type of discount. That is card discount. You as a name, you can understand this is the discount that will be applied on card. You can name it as per your need. Now percentage discount. I want to give 20% discount. And what will be the discount label? I want this to be like name as a card discount. You can name as per your need. You can add similar condition as previous one. I will save and exit. Now I will go on my website. Here you can see some products are in my cart. When I go on checkout, here you can see card discount is applied $18. Here you can see it is showing card discount is applied. So that's why you can add card discount in your website. I have disabled these two discount and I will create another discount that will be shipping. What it will give? It will give free shipping to user. You can apply this discount on few product or all product as per your need. It's a very simple discount. If you want to give free shipping on a specific product, you can use this, or you want to give free shipping to some condition like category ID with height length. There are multiple things like I want to give shipping if the regular price is this, if cart total. I want to give only free shipping if cart subtotal is equal to 100. I need to set here card total should be greater than 100. Yeah, I also need to add name. Save. I've created this account. Now let's go on website. Here you can see after I've added product over $100, here you can see free shipping option I can select and that will give user free shipping discount based on condition. Now let's create another discount. There are six different type of discount that you can use. Now bulk and bundle. Like you are thinking these are similar, but these are different. How? I will show you. In bulk discount, you can set on purchasing of three product, and you can set maximum if you want. I want to give percentage discount, fixed discount, or fixed discount per item. So you can set as per your need. I want to give discount of 20. In bulk discount, I've said if I purchase three and more products, then 20% discount will be applied. Let's see. If I purchase any product of three or more than three, then the discount will be applied. Let's go on website. As in card, you can see I have added four products of this. When I go on checkout, here you can see discount will be automatically applied without, you don't need to do anything. It will be auto applied discount. So that's how bulk discount works. Now we will see bundle. Click on create discount, bundle discount. Here I will say if I purchase. Now here I also set the condition of purchasing the item, then give the discount of 10%. You will be thinking what's the difference between bulk and bundle discount? What happens? There is field recursive. So what recursive do is like for three quantity it will get 10%. If we add three more quantity, he will get 10%. If we add fourth quantity, he will not get nothing. This is a bundle, how the bundle work. For adding every three quantity, only then he will get 10% discount. I will show you. Then you will able to understand it better. Like currently, just I will here. I'm getting nothing, but when I go update three products, you can see 10% discount is applied. Here you can see now. If I add four product, the discount will be same because it will only happen when you add three more products. So that's the bundle discount difference. If I add three more, then only here you can see. If the quantity is less than six, nothing will happen. So that's how the bundle discount works. The buy one get one free discount, buy X get Y discount. You can get this discount also in this plugin. So we will try to see. So there are two type of BOGO discount. You can buy X, buy X, get Y. So we'll show both type. Here everything will be same. No minimum. How many if customer buy three product, I want to give one product for free. So here you can say free. For if you want to add recursive, like if customer buy additional two more product, they will get one more product. Like for four product, customer will get two product. If you want it, you can enable recursive. Otherwise, leave it. If you want to add some condition, you can add it. Now I haven't added any condition. Let's see. Here in my card, view card, here you can see because of the I will first update. Here for purchasing the two products, I am getting one product totally for free. Here you can see for any two put same. This is buy X get X discount. Now we have seen buy X get X. Now there is another discount. Buy X get Y. You can say like if someone purchase a quantity, two quantity of product, he will get some other product like aluminum plank. I want to give the user if someone purchase two quantity. This is buy X get Y. Now if I just go on checkout and refresh it, here you can see if I buy these product, I am getting aluminum. This is added as free. See, so that's what buy X get Y means. So that's for all different type of discount that you can get through plugin. This plugin that you can use in your website, and I think it's a very good plugin to increase your sales and give discount to customer. I recommend you to go through the plugin in detail and buy pro version, and in pro version you can get 10% discount using code PAVAN10. And please go through check out this plugin. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.